Hey everybody, it's Manzel. I am just showing off the old Progress Arena in my version of Twilight Struggle that I'm making here. I've done a lot of work under the hood, and the main thing that I want to show you guys right now is how I made a little simple UI for coups so that you confirm that you see what happened, you know what happened, um, kind of like the way the playdeck version of the game works. So it's pretty simple. We're going to jump right into a USSR action round. We're going to grab our card. Oh, there's something else that's new is now it only lets you choose the actions that are eligible for the card. So let's say if I pick up containment, I can do any of this stuff just like normal. Cool. But if I pick up Asia scoring, all I can do is the event. If I pick up Nasser, I can't space. So that works now, but we're going to go ahead and do a coup. Again, that doesn't work yet. Sorry, guys. I'm going to click on Iran, USSR coup in Iran. 3-out coup. We rolled a 5. Defense is 4. So enemy influence, sorry, I switched the text. Any enemy influence removed is 1. And then we add 3. Is that right? So we should have, yeah, that's right. It adds up to 8. Cool. And then confirm. Now we move on to the USA round. So that's what's up. Hope you guys like that. Thank you.